Well, hello. Welcome to the channel again. Yeah, I got some drone footage. Went up and brush hogged up there, the other property. Just did this front field. I did some weeds and stuff, but I didn't get much drone footage. But what I got is that DJI Pro or 4 Pro. So it's got a lot of options on it. If you have the DJI 3 Pro, I'd keep that. But if you don't, I do the 4, from what I understand. It says follow me. It has more sensors on it and everything. And DJI 3 has follow me too, but this is in follow me mode right here now. And you'll see where I move around a little bit, but it does a pretty good job. It loses me when I get too close and I turn into it, but works out good. That's only an 8-foot mower on there, so 85 horse tractor. But yeah, I'm getting into it, so I'm gonna have to get my 107. I did the trust test though, make sure I carry that around with me and everything, and I'm getting a handle on the map thing to see where you can fly, which is open airspace and which isn't. But it's all good. I think it would be nice to have. This week I got to work on setting a pad. We're gonna get a home generator installed, so been busy checking all that stuff out. I'm still working on that prototype trailer. Should have some more video on that here pretty soon. That's where I lost it, right there. And I'm gonna reset it. Zoom. Oh, if you would, please subscribe. I need to get 1,000 subscribers, get this channel monetized if I decide to go that route. But I figure I'd mention that. See, this is the follow me thing. You just set it where it follows you from behind, parallel, or in front, or however you want to do it. The drone will just follow you automatically. You didn't have to do anything. So that's kind of neat. There's where I zoomed in too much, or I didn't zoom in, but I hit a button or I hit the lever that went in, and it won't hit the vehicle because of the sensors, and it went right by, and I'm like, oh shit. And I let off, and that's where it stopped. And then I hit the home button right here. As soon as I tried to look for the drone first, but I couldn't find it, so I just hit the home button because I could have moved the gimbal, but there it goes. Now it's going home. So I got it set where it's going to go up so high and then come back home. And this is where I launched. I got to get a landing pad for this too, because it just comes down on the grass and there it goes. This is everything it's doing. That's on its own. I don't have to do anything when you send it home. But yeah, if you would please subscribe, I appreciate it. All right. But this is the end of the footage right there. Now it's going to finish landing. So, all right. Thank you. God bless. You have a good day.